Chris from CT Industries. I'm reaching out to you because we believe our AI services could be a great fit for your real estate business.
Okay, today I am showing you something, amazing. So let's jump into it. I want to show you exactly how it is, how it works, because with this tool, you can potentially never have to reach out to customers anymore. You can train an AI that does it for you to automate 100% of the business and get leads straight away. I just want to jump into it. So sit down, relax, because I will show you exactly how this tool works. So this tool is called Air, is able to create inbound or outbound campaigns to call potential customers or potential clients. So what you do here, you create an agent that is trained on your own information with specifics that I will show you in a sec. And with that, you will be able to call customers. So if you have a list of customers, you can upload the list on the contacts. I will show you everything. This is a brand new tool. I have access to this. I'm not affiliated with this company whatsoever, but I think this will change the game. So today I will just show you how to set up. It's a brand new tool, so I'm learning as well, and I'm gonna document everything. So in the next videos, let me know in the comments if you want to see actually how this tool works and the results that this tool can actually bring to the company. This is the homepage of the tool. And of course, when you sign up, you have this main page here. And then we can start straight away with create a new AI agent. The first thing that we have here is the name. So we can choose whatever name. I would just do it. I would just call it, instead of Jarvis, I would do Just Chris, Jar Chris. And then here, this is what I mean. So you can do sales. So outbound calls to potential leads. You can do customer service, or if you want, you can as well do other type of use cases that you can decide specifically for your company. So we do create agent. On the guide, it says to go here on standard, but I will then go advanced and try to understand better how to make it work. Again, I have to go in depth, and I would publish videos on the specific tools down the road. So if you're not subscribed, do it so you won't miss these specific videos. We just select here, choose select mode. And here is this part when you have to provide a script. So if you already have a script that we can actually upload, or we can create it with AI. In this case, I will choose magically generate using AI. I select choose script. And now you have the options to upload a call, give Air your existing script. Otherwise, you can use templates that Air already has. Here is one of my suggestions. If you've been following my videos, what I was saying is use Fireflies during meetings with clients so you can record all the meetings that you did in the past. So that will be useful because you have the transcripts of those meetings, so you can use actually those transcripts here. So when this AI does the outreach for you, already has all the information that you already discussed with the customer. So that's what I'm doing. Already here I have one of my meetings downloaded in MP3 format, and what I will do, I'll upload that meeting here so the AI learns what we actually discussed in the meeting, because of course when you have meeting with clients, they ask questions, so those are the same questions they might have over the phone. So that's why we're doing this. So we just go use selected magic generation type, then we select the file here, open, and now we're uploading the phone call, or actually the meeting that we did with the customer. So now what's happening, the AI is transcribing the audio here, so then it's able to train itself when it has to perform a phone call as well. So now it says looks done, go to the next step, then we go copy script, we go here and we paste the script here. That is the way to upload the script, and you can copy paste it here. This is the same thing here to give Air your existing script. So if you already have scripts, you can use this. Now let's see the third option here. So use a proven template from Air. So we go here, use selected magic generation type, and then once we select that, we have this menu, and we can choose different things here to decide what we want to create the script for. In this case, not abandoned cart, we don't care, one word script, customer service, pain, desire gap. So let's do this. Then let's select here, have Air chat, customize this template so you can chat with a bot to be able to then create the specific script for your needs. In this case, hey, it's Air, I'm excited to write the rough draft for your script for you. So first things first, when the prospect answers what the company you want to say you're calling from. So my company says CT Industries. So by the way, my link, my Discord, free Discord is down below, and I will post information there as well. So let's do that. Why you're calling from. In this case, I would say you are calling because we believe we want to provide our AI services to the prospect. AI automation. We offer automation services for businesses. In this case, you can differentiate it. Say you want to create it for a car dealership, a real estate agent. Depending on what you want to do, you can do different type of agents. So you can create an agent for automotive industry, the agent for real estate. In this case, I would do it for real estate agents to help them manage and automate appointment with leads or potential clients. So then Dan is asking, what is the main problem? So we are all about saving time and money to our customers. So the core value is helping them manage all the aspects of their business to let them focus on what is actually important, and that is growing their business. So now we have to provide the pain points. So let's think about a real estate agent. And this again, once you do meetings with customers, you ask all these questions, so you already know what is painful for them. So let's say dealing with phone calls and setting appointments over the phone. Lastly, what's the call to action at the end of your call? It's a demo call, strategy call, or something else. The call to action is a video meeting with us, and you will send them the link via text so that they can book the appointment with us. Okay, now the AI is creating a script, and what we will do now, we just copy paste the script that it's creating, because I just want to show you guys how this actually works, and I will give you a couple more information so you can decide if you want to give it a try or not. If you do, then let me know in the comments what you think. Actually, copy to clipboard was easier. And if you have used it, let me know what is your experience, everything. So now I will give you a live demonstration. I will just try and make the AI call me and see what happens. So we close this, we paste this. This is jar Chris. So you have some must-read instructions, vital tips. It will tell you as well how to pronounce specific things and some information, like about dollars instead of the symbol of the dollar. All these different things. I would recommend doing it so you can create the best script possible. But right now, I just want to just show you how it works. So we go save. Now it's saving everything, and then we can click on talk to an agent. So now let's see how it works. Before doing that, this is the same thing as OpenAI. So you spend tokens every time the AI is actually talking to someone. So you have to put your information here. I will do this, and I will see you in a sec. So now I have all the information, and let's type call. So now it's calling. Hello?
Hey there. This is Jar Chris from CT Industries. I'm reaching out to you because we believe our AI services could be a great fit for your real estate business. Do you have a few minutes to chat?
Sure.
Awesome. I'm a manager here at CT Industries, and I'm on a recorded line. We usually take about 3 to 5 minutes to see if there's any way we can assist you. I apologize in advance if there's any audio lag today. Now, I'm curious, what are some of the challenges you're facing with managing appointments and handling customer inquiries?
The main issue is that I have to lose so much time trying to book the appointments and schedule everything and organize all the information.
I totally get it. It can be really time-consuming and overwhelming to handle all the appointment bookings and information organization. Can you tell me more about how this is affecting your business?
I'm losing so much time trying to organize all the contacts. So it will be awesome if I'm able to do that in an automated way. So automating everything, all the process.
I hear you loud and clear. Automating the process of organizing contacts would definitely save you a ton of time. Can you elaborate on why automating this process is important to you?
So that I can have more time to grow the business and actually decide how to scale the business as well.
That makes a lot of sense. By automating the process of organizing contacts, You'll have more time to focus on growing your business and making strategic decisions for scaling. Can you go a bit deeper on how this time-saving automation would benefit your business?
I will be able to get more leads, more clients, and overall grow the business in a more scalable and sustainable way as well.
Absolutely. Before we wrap up, I'd like to schedule a video meeting with someone on our team to discuss how our services can specifically help your real estate business. What time zone are you in?
I will be able tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Great. I have a slot available tomorrow at 9 a.m. in your time zone. Can you 100% make the call at that time?
Yes.
Fantastic. I'll lock in that time for you. Just to confirm, you'll be available for the call tomorrow at 9 a.m. Is that correct?
Correct.
Perfect. I've got you scheduled for tomorrow at 9 a.m. I'm really excited to hear how your call goes and most importantly, to see you get results. So that being said, everything is good to go over here. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day.
Thank you. You too. Bye-bye. So it's not 100% perfect, but it's something I was not prepared for. And it's super interesting because you can actually, this is, of course, I created the script in 2 minutes, but you can create an AI that it then goes onto knowledge base. Let's see a couple more things, and then we are good to go. And I will still publish videos on this specific tool because I think it's super useful. So going back here in the dashboard, you can add an action. So you can, with Zapier, of course, with Zapier integration. Now I want to show this, maybe the next videos, let me know to show you how this works. Then you can connect your calendar as well, because that in this case, of course, if you connect your calendar, then when it books appointment, already knows if you're available or not. Another thing is really useful is the tab here, recordings, because then, of course, as you can see here, I have the recording of today. Another two things that I want to give you guys as information for today is the contact tabs. So here you can upload all the information about your contacts. So upload a list. Let's say you get a list from Instantly or you get a list from anywhere else. You can upload the contacts here. And after you do that, you can go on launch. And you can create a campaign. So let's say an inbound campaign, or you want to create an outbound campaign. In that case, you call different people with all the scripts, and the AI keeps calling people instead of you wasting, quote unquote, wasting your time over the phone. So guys, this is it. I will pre-create other videos because I think it's super interesting, but this is this new tool. I think, again, it's super useful. Is it perfect? Absolutely not, but it's a lot of potential, and I want to cover this specific tool because you can actually then create tools for customers and provide this as a service as well. And this is super powerful because if you think about it, the tone of the AI, I mean, again, English is not my first language. I didn't notice this was a computer or something like that. So it's super interesting. Let me know in the comments what you think. Again, I will keep making videos on this specific tools. All the links on my research are free. Everything that I say on this channel is for free. All my Discord, my templates for previous bots that I've created, all for free. Discord link will be below. Thank you very much for watching all this video, and I'll see you next week with a brand new video.